If you want to know how can you block someone on TikTok, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end and I'll show you exactly how. First we need to go ahead and open TikTok, and let's say I want to block this user from my For You page. All I need to do is to go to their profile, so I'll just swipe from the right side to the left side or tap on this icon, and from here to block them you need to tap on the share icon in the top right corner. It's kind of hidden, so tap right there. You get this menu in the bottom. All you need to do is to tap on block right here. You'll get this pop-up window in the middle of the screen. Once you tap on block, this user will be blocked forever until you unblock him. If you want to block someone in your notifications or in your friends category, do the same thing. All you need to do is to go to their profile and then tap on this share icon in the top right corner, then proceed in blocking them again by tapping the block button and then confirming the action. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.